today we're at Doc Guthrie's for the launch of YCB SS 2015 accessory collection, dedicated to the elegant man of summer. Let's go inside and find out who's keeping Shanghai's men looking so good. Next to me is Xing and Jenny from YCB. Welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us about the brand.
The brand YCB actually stands for Young Chinese Blood. YCB is a men's accessory collection with a focus on pocket squares, ties, and scarves. And the brand is about sort of a gentlemanly fashion revival. And then so we want to make something that's handmade, that's good quality and stylish and chic. And we also want to emphasize the importance for any man to dress well.
What can we expect to see in your newest collection?
We have a special collection, it's called the Liberty Collection, and which I selected fabrics from Liberty London Art Fabrics. I think it's a really good collection. Not so many Chinese people, Asian people know about Liberty London.
Yeah, the Liberty Art Fabric collection, it goes way back to 100 years ago, and I think it's really fun to do a crossover of a really young contemporary Chinese brand with an old art fabric brand.
Can you just talk about the collaboration with Doc Guthrie's?
I think this is the first traditional barber shop in Shanghai, or maybe all over China. And it's, you know, it's such an idea about man and old-fashioned and the idea of gentleman. So we thought, why don't we do an event here and launch our collection and then invite friends over here at the barbershop, have a night at the barbershop. It's you know, it's such a old-fashioned way of doing something.
But still quite cool.
It's really cool, yeah.
So we just wanted to create kind of a old school, authentic, original barbershop. Shanghai used to have them years ago, but its culture's been lost. So just trying to build the scene again, bring it back. People are desperate for it here, and we just want to show them that they can have it. It doesn't have to just be on Instagram or in San Francisco or something. You know, you can have a real hot towel shave, have a whiskey, you know, and feel like you've gone back in time.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.